Students, today's topic is prepositions. Now, definition of preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something. Now, preposition shows a relationship between a noun and a pronoun and another part of the sentence. The noun pronoun is referred to as the object of the preposition. As I have written on the blackboard, preposition shows a relationship between a noun and a pronoun and another part of the sentence. The noun pronoun is referred to as the object of the preposition. Now, I want to say you one thing very important. Note it down. According to the above definition, a preposition must come before its subject, but sometimes it follows the object. I am giving you examples like who are you looking for? What shall I write with? She is the girl I was speaking of. Okay. Now, types of preposition, kinds of preposition. Preposition, first number simple preposition, second compound preposition, third phrase preposition, and fourth number is participle preposition. First number is simple preposition. So many examples I have written: in, on, out, with, till, of, for, at, to, of, by, as, from, into, then, over, up, etc. These words are comes under simple preposition. Now, second is compound preposition. Second is compound preposition. Compound preposition generally made by prefixing a preposition to a noun such as across, along, about, around, below, under, behind, beneath, beside, inside, outside, underneath, etc. Second number is compound preposition. Once again, I am repeating. Generally made by prefixing a preposition to a noun such as across, along, about, around, below, behind, beneath, beside, inside, outside. Next, third number is phrase prepositions. In order to, for the sake of, with a verb view to, for the source of, in addition to, in lieu of, by the virtue of, etc. are phrase preposition. Now, once again I am repeating that in order to, for the sake of, with a view or to, for the source of, in addition to, in lieu of, by virtue of, are phrase prepositions. Now, next number, fourth number, we will discuss participle prepositions. They are present participles, example verb plus ing, which are used without a noun or a pronoun, act as preposition. Examples I am giving you. Pending further order, he will join the new branch. Second number, respecting to plan, we shall write to you soon. Once again, respecting the plan, we shall write to you soon. A word is a preposition when it governs a noun or pronoun, otherwise it is an adverb. Remember it. A word is a preposition when it governs a noun or pronoun, otherwise it is an adverb. Now I am writing on the blackboard. Friends, I have written some sentences like here, the wheel came off. The wheel came off. Here off is given, but here it shows adverb, not preposition. Second number is she jumped off the moving car. Here off is preposition. Okay, now I have not slept since yesterday. Here it is also since is comes in category of preposition. But next example, I have not slept since. Here since shows adverb. As I have told you that if a word is a preposition when it governs a noun or pronoun, otherwise it is an adverb. Remember it. A word is a preposition when it governs a noun or a pronoun, otherwise it is an adverb. I have given you example. I think with the help of example you will be able to understand. Now, thank you. Have a nice day.